reason why you should actually focus on one thing when you're building your business. Now, of course, before we actually dive on the fun part and me breaking down my reason on why you should focus on one thing, if you're watching this video from YouTube, I want you to hit the subscribe button. Of course, subscribe to my channel. I give out a lot of value. If you like this video, throw a likes, likes, thumbs up, whatever, right? So that I know that you actually love this content that I'm actually providing. And at the same time, drop a comment below on some of the videos, right, that you want to actually see when it comes to scaling your business, when it comes to my entrepreneurship journey, how I scaled a few of my companies from 5, 6, and even 7 figures, and how I'm able to help others scale as well. So let's actually dive in, and I'm gonna see you guys on the other side. But I want to actually start this video off. You can achieve anything if you focus on one thing, right? And I actually kind of believe in this saying, and the reason why I actually believe in this saying is because personally, when I actually used to work on multiple projects, different companies, right, my energy wasn't actually focused on the foundation of what I actually desired, right? And a lot of people might get, they might not understand exactly what I said, but I'm gonna say it better. If you put your energy into one thing that you actually desire, that you love doing, that you have a passion for, the way you're gonna actually build that business or scale, that service or that product, whatever it may be, will be on a whole nother level. It will be with passion, it will be with love, and the energy will actually be massive, right? And I'm gonna actually post a diagram somewhere on this video where I'm gonna show you exactly why I said what I said. And again, like I said, 2019 coming into 2020, I used to be the person that actually did multiple projects. I used to do like e-commerce, I used to do all these things, right? I started off in the e-commerce space, but I tried to do things that, sometimes people bring business opportunities to me. And I'm gonna tell you guys this, right? And you don't have to take my word for it, but I highly, I suggest you do. When people bring opportunities to you, if it's not an opportunity that's in your category of business, right, where you have knowledge, you have some type of awareness, you know the metrics, the numbers to that specific business, I highly recommend don't put your time into it until you're ready to actually get into that field, right? And the reason why I'm actually telling you guys this is because, again, when I started my entrepreneurship journey, I used to be that person that did a lot of things, right? And I was successful at a few of them, right? But I did a lot of things where I couldn't put my energy the way I put my energy in 2021, right? On, my agency, my coaching, making sure that I'm helping my students, making sure I'm scaling my credit repair business, right? Because I'm putting my energy in one thing that circles around multiple aspects. Now you can, do, let's say that you have, for example, a credit repair business. You can do credit repair, you can do trade lines, you can do funding, right? Because it's all circled in one category of a business. But when it comes to you doing credit repair and then you want to do, e-commerce, but you have no experience in e-commerce, and time is money, because now you're going to spend money trying to figure out something you have no knowledge on, or you're going to be believing or trusting someone that has, they claim they have the knowledge on it, but they're using you as a test, right? They're using you as an example to figure out if they understand what they're doing is actually working. And this is why I said, put your energy in one thing. Focus your energy on one thing. If you know that you're out here to build and scale your credit repair business, focus your energy on scaling that credit repair business before actually diving in to multiple projects, right? Because I'm telling you guys, you need to focus on one thing. I say this a lot. I learned this actually from my mentor, and I have actually learned this from experience. I'm telling you, I used to do multiple things and could not focus on the key core. I couldn't focus on the main project that was actually bringing in the revenue, right? Because you might be doing 10 things and you have that, 2 or 3, maybe even one thing that's actually bringing you massive revenue. So instead of you focusing on scaling that one thing that's bringing you that massive revenue, you're focusing your energy, you're dividing your energy into 10%. So 10% here, 10% here, 10% here, maybe 30% there, 10, 10, 10, right? Which is insane, and it will lead you to destruction, right? And the reason why I'm telling you guys this again is because I went through that journey. And I try to, give out value and give out information on things that I have actually experienced, I have actually done, right? Or, something that I have, again, done, but had to, redrew myself so that I can understand exactly what's happening in my life. And this is a video that I highly suggest you go back and watch and watch and watch, because again, all I'm saying is focus on one thing and master that one thing before moving over to the next project. And at the same time, don't accept every opportunity that come your way. If it doesn't make sense to you, do not force it to make sense, so that you can be able to invest and claim that you have multiple, businesses or multiple passive income businesses that's not probably bringing you a return that you're satisfied, right? So again, guys, if you love this video, you love exactly what I drop, make sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Click the the likes button, if you like the video, and drop a comment below if you want to see more videos like I have released, right? And again, you can drop a comment, another comment, right, if you want to see videos of other different things when it comes to systems, automation, when it comes to my entrepreneurship journey, what I do on a day-to-day basis, and how I actually train my team, right? So I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's go.